seen it work, man. Anyway. Oh yeah, work.
Just got to sound that siren again.
There he is, look at this car.
So did everyone enjoy that?
Yeah.
Why did we all manage to stand on the glass?
Yeah, it's easy.
Just to make you aware, when we do reach the ground, we'll be exiting through the doors just behind me into a level 6 gift shop. That's where you can view the photos you had taken just before the 4D cinema. When you're ready to leave the gift shop, you can follow it right round to the left through the wide double doors. That'll take you back down onto level 5. As you do pass through, you pass the customer review point from the tower eye. It does only take a couple of seconds to fill out. If you do have any feedback for us, it is much appreciated.
Slower on the way back, isn't it? Slower on the way down. Whoa.